Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by prepping fish and aromatics because fresh flavor comes from proper handling. Rinse and pat the fish dry, cut into portions so they cook evenly. Heat 2 tablespoons oil, then sauté 1 onion, 2 scallions, 2 garlic cloves, and a thumb of ginger until fragrant. This releases oils that become your soup's backbone. Add 1 teaspoon pimento and 1 sprig thyme, then pour 4 cups water or light fish stock. Once the liquid simmers, lower heat to maintain a gentle bubble. Now you add hearty vegetables so the broth gains body and natural sweetness. Drop 2 cups mixed root veg, yam, carrot, potato, cut into uniform 1-to-1. 5-inch pieces, that ensures predictable doneness. Simmer uncovered for 12 to 15 minutes and skim any foam so the soup stays clean and bright. If you want richness, stir in 1/2 cup coconut milk or 1 tablespoon tomato paste. These round the flavor. Make sure to taste the broth and adjust heat so it keeps a gentle simmer. Finish by adding fish in the last 6 to 8 minutes. This timing prevents overcooking and keeps the flesh tender. Once the fish is opaque and flakes, remove from heat and add 1 tablespoon lime juice plus 2 tablespoons chopped scallion to brighten the soup. Taste and season with salt sparingly. Remove the whole Scotch bonnet before serving unless you want extra heat. If the soup turns out too salty, dilute with 1 to 2 cups water. Simmer with an extra potato, or add 1/2 cup coconut milk to mellow the saltiness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.